Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, the UDL is part of the Resent, the most entertaining droid in the world. It is me, it is R2 VGC, and here we are with the gameplay going into our week number 5 matchup against the one and only Pittsburg Steel Types, coached by Rhett. So let's head down to the field as we get ready for this heart-pounding action. Alright guys, here we are down in the field with the action. We just exchanged the codes. Let me hit them with the good luck, have fun real quick. And so, let's see. The two big things that I'm actually a little weary of as I do all this, because I should have done it before, is Toxicroak, because it gets like all the priority moves. Sorry, Toxicroak, as it gets all the priority moves, and Bisharp because of a Sucker Punch. A lot of his Pokemon that he's got on his team get priority, and I don't think it necessarily is going to hurt me overall, but if I'm unable to get the Croc Endurer off, I'm going to be hurt. I'm going to be sad. But we're not going to jeopardize the W, because again, we need to win. We're 2-2, just outside the playoffs if the season ended right now. So let's see what he brought. So he's got Orbeetle, Toxicroak, and Bisharp. Okay, so he's not really running too much Sun. Looks like he's going a lot of, maybe a little more Trick Room with the Orbeetle. But I'm also seeing a lot of Entei here. Entei can kind of take care of most of this team. So let's stick with our Game 1 plan. We'll bring... Do you want to bring Coughing in? Yeah, Coughing probably wouldn't hurt. We'll stick with the plan. With Entei or Archeops. Archeops is basically going to go in, throw up Tailwind, or we're going to hit something hard if he tries to bring in his own Tailwind. Because Mandibuzz has a chance to survive a Max Rockfall from our Entei. As much as that sucks, it's reality. But then we've got Kangaskhan and Coughing in the back to kind of throw things off. Let's see, what do I think? You know what? I think he's probably going to lead Bisharp, Mandibuzz, or Mandibuzz is probably going to be one of his leads. And I say that only because that's a speed control. Oh, and then Orbeetle. But, again, he should be okay. Alright, and he throws out Toxicroak and Orbeetle. Okay. So I do need to be careful of Fake Out into the Archeops. And you're going to realize that I'm Choice Scarf, because that's why Frisk is busted. But they're... I really would love to see a U-turn be able to go off. But I also expect to see him Fake Out into Archeops to block me doing anything. We'll try it. But this is a very important lead. This would have been a good lead for me to have gone with Croc. Orbeetle does get Trick, so maybe there's something along those lines. But no, fake out into Archeops. Called it. Okay, so Max Flare. You die. You die. Let's go, Orbeetle. Let's go. Let's go Entei. Alright, now here's the fun thing is Druddigan. Okay. So we're probably going to see some Max Worm wins going on. Which I don't really have a good way to hit Druddigan, because I didn't expect Druddigan to come, to be blatantly honest. I don't think I need a Tailwind. I could just... see, I got Kangaskhan in the back. Isn't really going to help much. Let's just go on ahead and we'll U-turn into the Toxicroak, just in case if Tox... Nope. Okay, something's about to... Mandibuzz. No, Bisharp. Ooh, we take those. And Druddigan's going to max. Now, Druddigan with the Max Whirlwind, I don't think would be good enough to KO us. And because he Dynamaxed it, that kind of also tells me that the Druddigan is probably not Sheer Force. It's probably Rough Skin. Let's bring Coughing in. Now I want to bring Coughing in because if I brought Kangaskhan in, my Max Whirlwind that I'm expecting to come in is going to hurt. Okay, so we've seen all of his Pokemon, which is great. Now the question is, can I stall out Dynamax? Okay, so he's bringing in his own Max Quake, probably going into the Entei slot. Oh, and we bulky, we take those. Love to see it, love to see it. Ooh, and he's Life Orb. Okay. Now, what I kind of want to do here is, I don't think Toxicroak goes doubles up into. I don't think he fakes out into Coughing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna point my Will-O-Wisp into the Druddigan. Toxicroak might be sashed, which is why we doubled up into that slot last turn, but. I'm also very confident because, again, Kangaskhan should be able to clean up. Just one turn of Dynamax. Coaching. Okay. So this probably tells me that Croak is sashed. Because he's like, oh, I don't care. You take these. No sash on the Toxicroak. So Entei gets 3 kills. Oh, you know what? Because it's Life Orb, Druddigan might be Sheer Force because Sheer Force removes the Life Orb recoil. And Entei did its job. Good job, dude. Good job. So now we're going to bring it down to Kangaskhan and Archeops to clean this mess up. Which, let's see, so you've done a bunch of, you know what, actually, let's do this. Let's go ahead and do Archeops. Because I can probably get away with a Tailwind, so then Kangaskhan Coughing survives. See though, Coughing's like base 35. Druddigan is hot, like in the 60s or 70s. So yeah, that's not a good play. Let's go on ahead and do the U-turn, and we're gonna stockpile. We're doing the U-turn to see if it's rough skin. Nice crit. And it is not rough skin, so that confirms that Druddigan is going to be sheer force. Alright, and Max Steel Spike going into the Kangaskhan slot. We live. Let's go. I will say though that so Druddigan is +2 special defense and then +1. So it does make things a lot more difficult. And the sad thing is I don't have any attacking moves on Weezing. Weezing. Wait, I just realized Weezing is faster than Druddigan. That's kind of bonkers. Alright, and we're gonna Drain Punch. See, I really wish I would have went with Poison Gas, so then I could have done the Venom Drench stuff, but it's okay. Coughing, if we gotta time this out, we'll be alright. Alright, so unfortunately we're kind of stuck here as he goes for the Earthquake. Kanga holds on and Coughing does next to nothing. We love to see it. Alright, I do kind of want to preserve some, so we're going to do this. And no. Body Slam should take it out. And we'll Will-O-Wisp again. Body Slam should do a good chunk. There we go. Game 1 down. Alright, so I led what I led. And he led what he led, which was Toxicroak or Beetle. He's probably going to do a mix-up. But unfortunately, all we saw on the Toxicroak was that it had Coaching and Fake Out. So that tells me there is a chance. There is a slight hot dog of a chance where he does not have another priority move. He, looking at his previous pace, he only had one priority move between the two, and that was either Fake Out or Sucker Punch on Bisharp. So did he bring both? I don't know, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna go for the memes, and then we'll have Archeops and Entei in the back to clean up. Oh, please, come on! I want this so bad. I want this so bad. And the other thing is, he actually has a couple of Ninetales, Bisharp, Toxicroak, and Orbeetle actually all outspeed Galili with base speed, but depending on investment, they may not outspeed him. You know, it's like Druddigan undersped. You know, like our Coughing was faster. I don't know how that was possible. Because I didn't put Tailwind up, did I? No, I didn't. Okay, so we got Toxicroak Ninetales. Let's go. We're good. We're Gucci, boys. We Gucci. And you're going ahead and Drought. We're going to Frost Breath into our Croc, and then we're going to Endure. Why this works is because Endure goes before Fake Out. And Glalie is inner focus, so therefore it can't get faked out. And I'm sashed. So they'd have to double up into the Glalie spot here. Which I guess is a possibility. But the fact that he Dynamax Ninetales, I really, really, really hope. Come on. Come on. Go. Just target. Just target the Crocodile spot. Please. Double up into Croc. Oh no, they doubled up into Glalie. They doubled up into Glalie. Oh, good call, Rhett. Oh, that sucks so much. It's okay. It's okay. Because what I can still do is we can still go put up Tailwind, and I'm going to put out a huge Earthquake. It's not going to do much, but it's still going to, it should still chunk both of his mons. Oh, that hurts so much. Okay, so we saw Brick Break. So we basically got all of Toxicroak's moves down. But he was ready for that lead. He was ready for me to switch to Croc, which, good call on his part. Let's see though, he's already burned his turn of Trick Room, or Fake Out. Okay, Max Guard. I'm okay with this. This Earthquake's still about to do some good damage to that Toxicroak. Ooh, picks up the KO. That was unexpected. Oh, and he had Mandibuzz in the back? That kind of sucks. Alright, so we're going to go... I don't necessarily want to switch into Entei because they may just double up in the spot to punish the Entei switch in. But I kind of have to. It's the thing that makes the most sense. And then we can Rock Slide. Again, we can chunk both these mons. He's throwing up his own Tailwind with Mandibuzz, almost guaranteed. Okay, 9 Tails of Voice. I guess I can live with that. Ooh. Okay, that was not as much damage as I would have hoped. Okay, Max Overgrowth into the Croc. Okay. That's completely fine with me. Croc did its job. And now I've got Entei in Tailwind. Mandibuzz flinched though. What is that, leftovers? Okay. That flinch kind of hurt. That flinch hurt. That hurt him bad. Because I guarantee you he was going for Tailwind to help balance things out. But now... Now I get to do this. And it's Toxicroak that's in the back, right? No, Tox died. We've yet to see who his fourth mon is. No switch-ins. I mean, Ninetales could Scorching Sand, which... And this is a bulky Entei. It's not going to do much. I just need to pick up these KOs where I need to pick them up at. Ooh, good chunk, good chunk. Alright, 252 plus. Picks up the KO. Let's go. He calced that. And now Archeops gets the sand buff with the special attack. And Scorching Sands. Yep. So now, who is the last Pokemon we need to worry about? Because Bisharp. Okay, I'm doubling into. Do I want to double up into Bisharp? I kind of do. Then he's going to read that. He's also on his back foot, so he's probably got a... I see maybe a Scorching Sands and a Sucker Punch. So let's you know what? Let's go ahead and just do this. Let's just go into the Ninetales because the Max Quake KO'd. Okay, so no, actually it didn't KO because we had done the U-turn chip. Sucker Punch into Bish, yep, into Archeops. Okay, well, that's going to hurt a little bit because now Archeops is going to be down to Defeatist, but it's okay. Because we take those. Entei coming in strong, showing us why we took him first overall. Now again, unfortunately, Archeops just lost half of its attack, but at this point, it kind of was a mute point. Tailwind petered out, so that means Ninetales is going to go for us. But we're also going to be +2 at this point. So I don't see this. Well, I guess we're only at +1. And that Scorching Sand didn't do too much to begin with. Okay. Nice little chip. Oh, that actually did a decent amount. Oh, and the flinch. You love to see it, but you hate to see it. But I don't think that flinch mattered. But hey, Seattle Superlax just took on the Pittsburg Steel types and won 2-0. GG's to Rhett. If you guys are interested in watching, I will post his Twitch down below in the description. Don't forget to give him some love. This was a good game. He definitely adjusted well game 2, expecting me to switch to the Croc. But again, don't forget to EV the mouse to one-hit KO that like button. And if you've not done so already, really appreciate a sub. Not a sub, but subscribe to the YouTube channel. And until next time, guys, bye.